Built to last. Why ancient structures still stand. A quiet challenge. Across the world, modern buildings rise quickly and fail just as fast. Yet some structures, built thousands of years ago, still stand in silence. No steel, no electricity, no modern machinery. How did ancient builders create structures that outlasted entire civilizations? And why do they often endure longer than what we build today? Part 1. The paradox of durability. At first glance, the past appears technologically inferior. Ancient builders lacked reinforced concrete, advanced calculations, and industrial tools. Yet structures such as the Great Pyramid of Giza have survived over 4,500 years. Meanwhile, many modern buildings require major repairs within decades. This contrast reveals an uncomfortable question. Have we traded longevity for speed? Part 2. Materials that age well. One of the greatest secrets of ancient durability lies in material choice. Ancient builders favored stone, lime-based concrete, dense masonry. Roman concrete, for example, grows stronger over time due to chemical reactions with seawater. The Pantheon, built nearly 2,000 years ago, still holds the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Modern concrete prioritizes speed and cost. Ancient materials prioritized endurance. Part 3. Design over decoration. Ancient structures were designed to resist nature, not dominate it. Thick walls absorbed stress. Arches redistributed weight. Symmetry provided balance. The Colosseum survives earthquakes because its elliptical shape disperses force evenly. Form followed physics. Decoration was secondary. Part 4. Building with the environment. Ancient builders worked with their environment. In the Andes, the Inca city of Machu Picchu was built using precisely cut stones without mortar. During earthquakes, stones move slightly, then settle back into place. Drainage systems prevent erosion. Orientation controls temperature and moisture. Nature was not an enemy. It was a design partner. Part 5. Time as a design parameter. Modern buildings are often designed with a limited lifespan. Ancient structures were built for permanence. This difference shaped every decision. Deeper foundations, over-engineered supports, slower construction. Ancient builders expected their work to endure generations. Time was not a cost. It was the goal. Part 6. Knowledge passed through hands. Ancient construction relied on generational knowledge. Techniques were refined over centuries. Mistakes were remembered. Master builders learned directly from stone, weather, and failure. Modern construction often relies on standardized models and short-term optimization. The result is efficiency but also fragility. Part 7. What modern engineering lost. Modern engineering excels at precision, scale, and speed, but it often sacrifices redundancy, a material tolerance, adaptability. Ancient structures were forgiving. Modern ones are exacting. When conditions change, ancient buildings adapt. Modern ones crack. Part 8. What we still don't fully understand. Some ancient techniques remain partially unexplained. How were massive stones transported with such accuracy? How were tolerances achieved without modern instruments? How did builders intuitively calculate stress? Archaeology offers answers, but not all. Durability, it seems, came not from technology alone, but from philosophy. A lesson in patience. Ancient structures remind us that progress is not always improvement. They were built slowly, with intention, with respect for materials and time. They do not stand because the past was superior, but because it valued endurance over immediacy. If this documentary changed how you see the buildings around you, consider liking the video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub for future explorations. Because the greatest structures are not those that rise fastest, but those that remain.